Guys, how you doing? This is Devin from Neptune Design, and today I'm going to show you how to register your WordPress website on Google in the easiest way possible. Okay. Now, for those of you that do know, usually what you'd have to do was you would have to go to Google Search Console and you would have to basically get a verification code, copy paste that in your cPanel, go back and try and verify your website, okay? And you'd have to do the registration and go through the whole process. Well, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to show you a fast 3-step way to get your WordPress registered on Google. It's quick, it's easy, and anyone can do it, okay? So if you stick with this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I hope you're ready. The first step that we need to do is we need to download Google Sitekit. Now, Google Sitekit is basically a new plugin from Google. It's still in beta, but you can use it. And basically what it does is it connects our website to a whole lot of Google services, and it does it quick, easy, and efficiently without us having to play around with any of the coding on our website. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is click on Get Developer Beta, and then you're going to go down to, of course, read the terms and conditions and back up your site if you want to be extra careful. And then you're going to click on Download right here, and that's going to download the Google Sitekit plugin to your desktop. Okay, so that's step number 1. Okay, on to step number 2. Step number 2, you're going to go on your right hand side. You're going to go down to plugins and you are going to say add new. So we're going to click on add new. And you will come to your plugins menu. These are the plugins that have already been installed on your website. So you're going to go to, or rather these are the plugins that are available to install, and you're going to go to upload plugin and you're just going to select the file on your desktop or on your download folder and you're going to upload it, and then you're going to click on install now. Okay, you're going to click on install now. Because I've already got mine installed, I'm not going to click that, but you should definitely click that. Okay, done with step 2. Okay, so we are coming up to the last step. Okay, so you're going to click on the activate plugin button, and then as soon as you click on the activate plugin button, you will go to basically a setup menu where it says to use start setup. So I'm going to click on this blue button that says start setup, and the first thing you need to do is get your client ID. And if you see here, there's a space for a snippet of code. Don't be worried. Like I said, you are not going to fiddle around with any coding. All you're going to do is you're going to click on the developer's Google link. You are going to say get authorization details. It's basically going to generate a snippet of code for you for this particular WordPress website. So even if you have multiple WordPress websites, it will generate one for this specific site. Okay, it's taking a while. And there we go. Okay, so we've got our code. We're going to click on copy. We're going to paste code. Now the cool thing about this is it's going to verify the URL and connect your Google Search Console by itself. For those of you who don't have Google Search Console accounts already, don't worry, it will create a new one for you. Okay, so you're going to say proceed. Okay, then obviously you're going to work your way through to the steps. So you have to basically authenticate and sign in with Google. blah, 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 blah. URL, it's automatically verified URL, it's automatically connected Search Console, and you are done and dusted. And that is how you register your website on Google quickly, simply, and easily. So there you have it, guys. There are a couple of extra things that you can do if you want to even go further with your Google search registration. Is you can submit a sitemap file. You can add different website versions if you want. You can do all of those things, but unfortunately, that is out of the scope of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like or subscribe if you really like this content. You can also sponsor the channel by going to the links below. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. This has been Devin for Neptune Design.